Hello everyone, this is Novi from Komatco. We are in construction machinery over 16 years. Today we are going to Luoyang Lutong factory to see the motor grader. Now we have arrived at the Lutong factory. Behind us is the Lutong 220 horsepower motor grader PY220C with a front blade and a rear ripper. The whole machine length is 8.6 meters. And the total weight with the front blade and the rear ripper is about 17 tons. Now let's see the details of this machine. You can have optional front blade and rear ripper depending on your use. The blade is 3.9 meters in length and 0.6 meter in height. The engine of this grader is famous brand Cummins engine with a rated power of 220 horsepower. Now I'm in the cab, high-performance dashboard with 3-level alarm monitoring system. The cab is equipped with air conditioner, providing extraordinary comfort. In addition, the 1.9-meter high cab provides a large operating space and good visibilities. If you are interested in our machines, please feel free to contact me. See you next time. Bye.